you go. Good. Push, 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 Carmen. Get
Come on, Carmen, come on.
Push her out. That's it. One more time. Come on, big push.
Come on, Carmen.
There we go, Carmen. I can see your head. Okay, good.
I pooped myself.
No, it's still just her head. Yeah, don't worry.
Her head is out?
No, but it's pushing down against your bottom, and that's why it feels like you're going to the bathroom.
You gotta push really, really hard.
You're doing awesome.
Solo cuando se ve, no se ve.
¿Puedes ver su cabeza?
Okay. That's it. Big push. You got it. Big push. Just perfect. Keep going. Push it out. You can do it. You're just about done, Carmen. That's the way. Good. There you go. Here comes the baby. Good. Come on, big push. Here's the head. Here it comes.
Come on, don't stay down.
Push. Here it comes.
Oh,
Good.
here she comes, Carmen. Here she comes. Here she comes.
Stop. Stop, Carmen.
I can't
Just
stop.
a gentle little push.
I can't
I know.
stop.
Little push.
Oh,
Okay, give me a push. You got it. Just a gentle little push. Good. One more time.
Oh my god, I can't stop. It's ripping. It's ripping.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
Oh
my god, she's so cute.
All right, Carmen. Now, you're going to bring your shoulders out, okay? Give me another push. Another push. You can do it.
Carmen, push.
Here she comes. One more time. Big push.
I can't.
You got to give me a push. She's out. Her head's out. Give me a push. It's coming. She's coming. Give me a push. Give me a push. Carmen, you got it. The head's out. You got to push. There you go. Great. There you go. One more time.
I can't.
There she is.
Oh my god.
Congratulations.
What do you want?
Okay. Come on, little girl.
No.
Come on.
Good job. She's good sized. Who wants to cut the cord?
Can I go
So you want to cut the cord?
¿Yo?
Yep.
¿Dónde?
I'll show you. When- Okay.
¿Eso está bien?
Nice long cord.
Just so you know, she could stay there about half an hour ago.
Okay. Entre las dos
Okay.
cosas. Okay.
You did it.
Felicidades.
All right, we're gonna have her right back to you, honey. Okay?
She looks great. Good job. You could put